warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, my name is Asya from grade 4B. This is my science project about habitat and environment. So today I'm going to explain about habitat. Do you know what a habitat is? A habitat is the place where living things live. The habitat provides the living things with what it needs to survive, such as food, water, shelter, protection, and a place to reproduce. Some habitats are huge like ocean and forest. Some are small such as rotting log or a rock. An ocean, a garden, a pond, and a desert are the examples of habitat. Now I'm going to show you one kind of habitat, which is a garden. Garden is a plant's place, usually outdoors, set aside from the display or enjoyment of plants and other forms of nature. The garden can incorporate both of natural and man-made materials. I already made a diorama just to give you a broad view of what the garden is. I made this diorama using cardboard by size 30 cm on each side, a styrofoam to make the base firm, a few decoration, and of course, several animals and plants replica. Okay then, this is a garden diorama. Can you mention some living things that live in the garden? Let's observe. Here are some animals and plants that can be found in the garden. Animals like rabbit, little chicks, ladybug beetle, butterflies. Butterfly classifies as insect. Insects are very important to a garden. They help to transfer the pollen from plant to plant. However, some insects can be harmful because they eat leaves, fruits, or flowers. Bees. Bees are helpful to a garden. They help pollinate flowers and plants. Earthworm. Earthworms are important to any garden. They keep the soil clean by pulling down organic materials and recycling it into fresh nutrient-filled soil. Bird nest fern. Bird nest fern are usually living on trees. Plants like grass, trees, pine tree, palm tree, oak tree, and many kinds of flowers. Do you know a habitat can consist of smaller habitat? Can a living things be a habitat of other living things? There are many smaller habitats in the garden. Tree, for example. Garden is a habitat for a tree, while a tree is a habitat for several little animals and plants. Plants like ferns, bacteria, fungi, and also animals such as ants and birds. There's also another habitat that can be built in the garden. For example, a pond. A pond is a habitat for several animals and plants, like this one, ducks and turtle. I made a little pond-like replica in this garden. So friends, as you know, different animals and plants live in different habitats. Let us save our environment by handling living things with care. Remember not to remove them from the habitat. That's all from me. This is Asya's Science Project. Thank you for watching. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.